Welcome to Rancho Bernardo. This is one of our latest projects here on Selva Drive in the Rancho Bernardo area of San Diego. This property was a property that the original owner purchased years ago with her husband as a retirement home, and they retired here and were here for decades. We bought this property from the trust that she formed to own this property, and when we did, it was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,770 square feet with a 2-car garage. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take you to see the after effects of what we do when we remodel a property. We're going to show you how we added a bedroom. We're going to show you the different configurations that we changed and some different things that we did that helped to open up the floor plan and make it more appealing. So come on in. So when we bought this was actually a tan colored home, almost yellow on the outside, and this gray really pops. These windows are brand new. This is brand new. This is really neat, the front door setup. So when I first walked in this house, there was a wall here, a block wall. So this fireplace was here, but it didn't look as good as this. There was a block wall here that came to about here, and it was painted white. Then there was a wall here, and then there was a wall right here that divided this kitchen. There was a walkway here that went into this galley-style kitchen. So what we did was we took this wall out. We actually closed a walkway here. So this used to be a walk-through, a passway, right? And then this wall this bar was built in. This wall was built. And then I'm going to show you, that was actually kind of a utility room, and I'm going to show you what we did. It's really kind of cool. So this hallway was built by us, and this was installed, this closet. Then that used to be a walkway into, this was a very large, much larger room than this before. That was a walkway into the kitchen. And we built a walk-in closet here and turned this into the 3rd bedroom. Absolutely brilliant. So come take a look at the other things we did. So in here, we remodeled everything. So everything's remodeled. This is the same footprint of what it used to be, right? This is the same footprint. And then in here, this was a 2-sided closet. So there are closet doors here. We walled this off, okay? We put in all new windows, all new sliders, okay? New flooring, the whole thing. New ceiling fans, everything, right? New switches. And that expanded that closet to that back wall. We had a 1-sink vanity, so we added a 2-sink vanity, right? And then in here, we actually took out a linen closet and built this. This used to be a linen closet here, and this was where the shower was. Isn't that wild? Really cool. It turned out amazing. Absolutely amazing. And I'll show you the sky deck. This is really cool. So this covered patio was here. We painted it and made it nice. So this was all painted. All this was painted, obviously, right? New windows, new slider. We put in can lights, which makes it really cool. Okay? And then this was here, and what we did was just make it nicer. We live in paradise, we might as well see it. There you go. Isn't that awesome? You can hang out up here, have a glass of wine, have a cup of coffee, whatever you choose. Thank you for coming along on a tour of one of our latest projects. Give us a call today. We'll take great care of you.